The newly introduced Pneumatic Coil Spring Compressor from Laser Tools offers quick and safe compression of road springs. Safety and ease of use are the big features, and the compressor fits a wide range of spring configurations and coil diameters. Conveniently operated with foot controls. When the guard is up, the pressure is limited, which enables the spring to be positioned correctly to allow fitting of the spring securing hooks. Then drop the guard, and full air pressure is delivered to the pneumatic ram, and the spring is quickly and easily compressed. The versatility of the compressor is demonstrated with this Macpherson Strut. With this design of spring having fewer coils, the securing hooks are located against the top mount of the strut, rather than on a coil. This then offers sufficient spring compression to dismantle the strut. A major feature is the ability to fit springs where the coils turn in the opposite direction, as this Nissan Qashqai spring demonstrates. It makes no difference which way the coils are wound. The securing hooks are easily adjusted and positioned where required. The Pneumatic Coil Spring Compressor from Laser Tools, part number 6050.